My name is Ryan. Welcome back to Fix or Fail 2024. Now, I actually wasn't going to record this, but I honestly thought I wouldn't be able to get this apart because this was sealed in here. I've got an Amazon, one of those home Amazon screens, and the cord on it's like completely destroyed. So I was going to try to find a way to replace the cord or get the cord back in and resolder it, but I didn't think I'd be able to do it because of the way this is in there. So I had to stick a little pry thing in there and pry it up, and it looks like it was glued inside there. But it did pry up, so since I was able to actually get inside of it, let's take a look and see if I can fix it. We're getting it slowly. We're under it. Come on. There we go. There's all of our capacitors, resistors. Now this thing has been unplugged for months, so I'm not really worried about getting shocked by any of these capacitors. It's probably best if I test them just to verify, but I'm pretty sure there won't be anything. Let me go get my tester real quick. I will be right back. Okay, depending upon who you talk to, some people call this a multimeter, like I do. Some people call it a multimeter. It's a multimeter. So I'll put that on capacitance, and we'll see what we've got going on. 0.65 nanofarads. So that tells me this is not holding nothing for a charge, as I knew it wouldn't be, but it's better to be safe than sorry, so check before you actually take it apart. As I'm doing this while taking it apart. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay. Now I've got a little plug right here that I'm going to unplug. Boom, whole board comes out in one piece. That's nice. Little plug right here. Now if I can get that pushed up through, get this little thing figured out, I think we'll be in good shape. Because yeah, I can see right here, it's completely cut through the white one. The black one is kind of non-existent, so gonna have to, man, I don't know what chewed on this, but whatever it was, it chewed all the way back to here. Wow. Somebody had a cat, a dog, a gopher. I don't know what the heck they had. and that's going to go with the white wires there. And we will connect the two. For right now, I'm just going to use vinyl tape just to get it together. It really needs shrink boot on it to make sure we've got it connected right and put together properly. We should have shrink boot on this, so I advise anybody not to do this. I'm just doing this just to test it for right now. Before I completely put the whole thing back together, we are going to get some shrink boot. I just don't have it on me right now. So let's try to get this back together. Like I said, this is only temporary. This is not how we're going to leave this by any means. And we're going to take these two and we are going to twist them together. And then we're going to fold them back on themselves. There we go, we'll get a little bit of tape. This is electrical tape. Electrician's tape. We're going to try to prevent any sparking and arcing. I am not Electric Boom. Perfect, nicely wrapped, no wires exposed whatsoever. And then on the other one, together and then braid them all together. So we know those have a very good connection. And we'll take that line and point it down. And then we will tape this whole thing together as well. There we go. Everything is taped. There is no exposed wires whatsoever. And we will plug them back into this box. It's going to be heat shrunk to put back on there properly. Okay. Now there is, I don't know what this is around here. I'm going to open this up and make sure this has been chewed up too. I don't know if you can see it or not. But there has been something chewed up here as well. So I'm going to kind of get in there and see how bad the damage is. Bite marks, but I really don't see anything that makes me go, oh, that's a huge issue. It's just plastic from the cover. So yeah, I'm not seeing anything there. It's a huge issue, so I'm just going to take this and retape it. Put the cover back on there. Probably going to end up just replacing this cord, but I just wanted to see if I could fix it. Is it fixable in a situation? Let's put it that way. Definitely not fixable for something that I would try to sell. This is just worst case scenario. It's the apocalypse, and can you actually fix something? Yes, I think we could use it for that reason, but beyond that, I would not try to resell this. I would just replace the cord. Here's what it goes to. It's a little Amazon speaker thing. I don't know, I never had one of these. Never used one. This has been sitting around for probably 6 months. Okay, I got it plugged in. Fingers crossed. Let's see if I blow something up. Well, I don't really have an outlet to plug it into. It's coming on. Amazon. See if you can see that. Oops. It does say Amazon. Amazon Echo. Ooh. Fancy schmancy. By George, I think we got it. Let's see if you can actually focus in on this. Why is this set to manual focus? Hey. Very good. We got it up and running. That is a fix. 100%. So, I am happy with that. Whoops. Now we gotta plug it. It works. I didn't think we'd be able to even get this thing open. The fact that I could actually get into this and open it, that's pretty impressive. Like I said, this is not something I'm going to sell. I would actually buy a new one of these. I just wanted to see if I could fix this one since I had no idea how to get into it. I don't advise fixing one of these and doing it. Like I said, again, I was just doing it just to see if I could do it. So I would consider this a fix. Thanks. Have a good one. See you in the next one.